Hello everyone, this is Jim. Welcome to this video. Today I will introduce some remind function about the Econ training, S-type acceleration/deceleration, and the custom curve. First, let's check this buffer table of the S-type acceleration and the deceleration. Here we have some parameter need to set. The total pulse. This parameter is converted by the movement length, and the max output frequency, which is quick rate by the max running speed. And also we need to set acceleration time and deceleration time and the resolution. Here acceleration time and the deceleration time, the unit is ms. Here have only one point need to notice compared with the rotating cutting or flying cutting. For this curve, the master axis is not encoder position. It is time axis, and I will introduce what's time axis and how to set it later. Let's first check this curve. In this S-type curve, we can see this one is our max output frequency, and here is acceleration time and the deceleration time, 100 ms. Okay, so how to set the time axis? In this DCAM instruction, the first parameter is our master axis. If we will use high-speed counter, then it means the encoder position. And if you set it as a constant value, it means the time axis. K1 means 0.1 ms, K10 means 1 ms. Because here the acceleration time and the deceleration time unit is ms. So usually we set here as 1 ms. So here you can set it as 10. Now let's check this demo program. Here the master length is 10,000 pulse. Max speed is 5,000 Hz. And the acceleration and deceleration time is 1 second. Enable DCAM instruction. And then you can see the output pulse. Here we can see the acceleration segment and the deceleration segment, and the beginning and end. Okay. Now let's continue to introduce another curve, custom curve. This is the buffer table of the custom curve. Some parameter need to set. First is the total resolution, max to 511. Second parameter is the number of the key points. We can set up to 10 key points. And between two key points, the curve will be composed by different points, depends on the resolution of this segment. And the next step, we need to set the detail parameters of different segments. For example, for point 1, we need to set the master length, slave length, and then the curve type and the resolution type. And then the curve type and the resolution of these segments. For curve type, we have 4 selection, and here for resolution, if we set all segments resolution as 0, then the total resolution will be delivered equally to all segments. For example, you have 5 points, and you set all points segment as 0, and the total segment's resolution is 500. So each segment will have 100 segments. Now let's check the checklist demo program. This is the custom curve I generate. Here I set all segments resolution as 0. And then the curve type as S-type. Enable the decam. And then move the master as the master axis is running. We can see here the position change of the select language. Okay, now let's check the details with this demo program. On the right side is the custom curve I generate. Here I set all segments of different. Here I set the solution of different segment as 0. And then the curve type as 1. 1 means S-type curve. And here, enable decam instruction. And move the master axis. As the master axis position changing, we can see the position of the select is also changing according to this custom curve between 0 and 2000. Okay, so this is the all content about decam instruction, and thanks for watching. Okay, so this is the remand function of the decam. Thanks for watching.